today we're taking a look at this. So there's not much to say about this except this is a racing car. That's all said here in this box. It looks like a yellow Lamborghini, but yeah, it looks like a yellow Lamborghini, but it doesn't specifically say in this box that it's a Lamborghini or anything else. It just said a racing car, and you know, that's what you expect from something that was made from China. Yeah, so it's really cheap. It's about $12 or so. At least that's what I got it for, and there's nothing else to be said about this. So let's just open this box and see if it's really worth that price. Okay, so let's take a look at this box. I mean, I don't know about you, but I think that this box looks really magnificent, and the car looks really decent, very detailed and things, and I think overall this is a very catchy looking product, no matter who it's from, even though it doesn't have a specific name for brand, Kaijun right here, but the box just looks very attractive, and that's the reason why it tempted me to pick it up. And yeah, it looks amazing, but other than that, it doesn't come with much. I mean, there's the instruction to how to get the car going, working properly, I guess. Yeah, that's what you have B for, right? So there's the Lamborghini, I think, and here is several other models of it. I don't know what these are, but obviously this is the model as it is ticked right here. So yeah, not much else to say about it. Yeah, so yeah, let's open it and see what we got inside. Oh yes, I must say that the box looks much more impressive, and so far I haven't been disappointed. So in the box we have 6 batteries, which is, you know, good, thanks, and a remote controller. Looks like a decent PlayStation controller. Yeah, it's good, and a charger for those who prefer not to use the batteries, and yeah, maybe for use it. And of course, oh, we also have an antenna for the controller. It's good to save space and to protect the antenna, which which can easily be broken for some products. So they thought it out, so that's good. And now we have the car itself, and it looks really decent. It looks really nice. I really dig this color. It is truly the original Lamborghini color, as you can see here, and yeah, it's very detailed, very decked out, very shiny, and all sorts of things that are positive. So now let's take this for a test drive, shall we? So, what do I think of this racing car? Well, the suggested retail price for this one I think is $14. And to be honest, I have originally underestimated this car. I mean, after a few minutes with it, I feel like it's really amazing. I mean, the box looks great, the car looks great, and it's super fast, and it's really durable. Like in the cover says, it is shock absorber. So I think this is probably one of the best car that I have ever run with. So it is well worth over $14. It can be it could be $20, and I would still recommend it. As you can see, I mean, the box looks in great shape. Even though the brand of it is unheard of, it doesn't matter because the quality is amazing. I had just about a few minutes with it, and I really fell in love with it. So yeah, this is a really nice car that you should get if you are looking for a remote control toy car. So yeah, that's my final opinion. It is great. It is one of the best toy that I have ever played in my adulthood. So yes. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I am Yuga from 3LR Vibe, and I'll see you soon.